So hi friends, I'm Kirmit and today I'm back with another video, and today's video is going to be about the World Test Championship final, and we'll discuss what should be India's squad. The New Zealand team has already announced their squad. It's a 20-man squad, and obviously the squad will be more than a 15-man squad because of the bio bubble, and you can't bring players from your home country because it takes some time for them to quarantine. So according to me, it will be a 19 to 20 man squad for India as well. They need backups for the wicket keepers, the batsmen, and the bowlers as well. So it will take some players. First of all, let's discuss what's the New Zealand team's squad and what are my opinions on that. So first of all, they obviously have their captain Kane Williamson, and we all know he is a brilliant player. So obviously कप्तान है वो टीम में ज़रूर होंगे. There is Tom Latham. He's the opening batsman of their team. There are some debutants like Devon Conway and Jacob Duffy and also Rachin Ravindra. Also, Ajaz Patel is back in the squad, so their spin is boosted up now. उनके अलावा स्क्वाड में टॉम ब्लंडल है, ही इज अ नाइस बैट्समैन. देयर इज विल यंग, ये दोनों मिडल ऑर्डर के बैट्समैन हैं. एंड देयर इज द एक्सपीरियंस्ड रॉस टेलर. Their wicketkeeper BJ Watling, who has been amazing in the last 2 years. There is Henry Nicholls, who is a brilliant test batsman and has been doing brilliant for his country for the last 2 to 3 years. Then there are the all-rounders, in which there is Mitchell Santner, there is Daryl Mitchell, and there is Colin de Grandhomme. In the bowlers part, there is Neil Wagner, obviously. He is a brilliant bowler, has been troubling batsmen with bouncers recently. There's Trent Bolt, we all know his caliber. Tim Southee, one of their top bowlers, obviously. And there's Doug Bracewell. He's a nice bowler and can bat at the end as well. The same can be said for Kylie Jamieson, a better bowler than Bracewell and also a better batsman according to me. He's also a type of all-rounder only, but his main focus is bowling and troubled India the last time they faced off. सो ओवरऑल अकॉर्डिंग टू द कंडीशंस पेसर्स अच्छे हैं इनके पास. नील वैगनर हैं, ट्रेंट बोल्ट हैं, टिम साउदी हैं, काइली जेमिसन है, डग ब्रेसवेल है. बैटिंग थोड़ी वीक है. केन विलियमसन, टॉम लेथम और रॉस टेलर के अलावा मेरे को कोई प्रोमिनेंट बैट्समैन दिख नहीं रहा है जिसके पास इतना एक्सपीरियंस हो. सो वील सी हाउ दे परफॉर्म. सो लेट्स डिस्कस इंडिया स्क्वाड अगेंस्ट न्यूजीलैंड फॉर दिस मैच, दैट्स द World Test Championship final. So first of all, obviously Virat Kohli is the captain, so he'll be in the squad. Ajinkya Rahane is the vice captain. His place is also cemented. Talking about the openers, I have selected 3 openers. One is Rohit Sharma, their prominent opener. From the other side, there is Shubman Gill and there is Mayank Agarwal. Shubman Gill hasn't been in form recently. He's a brilliant player, we all know that. He's proved it in the series against Australia, but even injuries can happen and he's going through a bad phase right now. So maybe Mayank Agarwal की ज़रूरत हो सकती है. Then there's obviously Cheteshwar Pujara. He's the body of the team, and Rishabh Pant did heroics against Australia, so he'll obviously be there. He'll be their prominent wicket keeper. Hanuma Vihari was sent to a county stint just because he had to get used to the England conditions, or that has been successful. So he'll surely be in the squad. And there will be the spin twins back. जडेजा को इंजरी हुई थी, अब वो वापस आ जाएंगे. So Jadeja and Ashwin will be together, I think. There will be a bunch of pacers. Obviously there's Jasprit Bumrah, there's Ishant Sharma, there's Umesh Yadav, there's Mohammad Siraj, there's Mohammad Shami. These 5 are confirmed. But some backups are Prasidh Krishna. Reportedly, he is in consideration to be selected. Also, Shardul Thakur is another pacer. Spinners के backups की बात करूँ अगर मैं, तो Washington Sundar is a backup and there is Kuldeep Yadav. Also एक wicket keeper backup चाहिए होगा, और Ridhiman Saha has been tested positive, so I don't think he'll be able to play. So KS Bharat is a great option. He was with them when England came to India but did not play. I don't think he'll get a chance in this final as well. But if something happens to Rishabh Pant, he's a great keeper. He's a really nice batsman. So KS Bharat can also get a chance to show his performance. What will be the squad according to you? Do comment down. We'll wait for the actual squad, and there will also be a squad review video where we'll see कि कितनी हमारी squad similar थी actual squad से, and we'll rate the squad selection as well. Do comment down your squad. Do like the video if you enjoyed this, and if you agree with me, please share to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you.